Welcome to today video class hard and soft acids basis. This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College for Women, Vanparthi. Today we are going to discuss the concept of HSAB. So acids bases, mainly three theorems are available to explanation of acids and bases. One is the Arrhenius theory, another one is the Bronsted-Lewis acid theory, Lewis theory. So the Lewis concept of acids and bases involves covalent interaction to form a covalent coordination bond. An acid, according to Lewis concept, an electron pair acceptor, a base and electron pair donor. So polarizability, the capacity of a group atoms in a molecule and ion to polarize its electrons. Polarizability, chemical species or a less easily polarized species, electrostatic interaction, soft, a more easily polarized species, electron sharing or covalent interaction. So Pearson classification of metal ions and ligands. So class A metal ions, alkali metals, H plus, Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus and Cs plus. Alkaline earth metals, Be2 plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, Sr2 plus and Ba2 plus. And lighter transition metals of higher oxidation states, Ti4 plus, Cr3 plus, Fe3 plus and CO2 plus. These are the class A metal ions, alkaline metals, alkali metals, and lighter transition metals of higher oxidation state are in this classification. Class B metal ions, heavier transition metals of lower oxidation states, those are Cu plus, Ag plus, Hg plus, Hg2 plus, Pd2 plus and Pt2 plus, palladium ion and platinum ion. So these ions are class B metal ions. So ligands are also classified into two classes. Class A, F minus Cl minus OH minus O2 minus NH3CO3 minus 2SO4 minus 2 belongs to class A ligands. Class B ligands H minus Cn minus SCN minus I minus CO, trialkyl phosphorus and dialkyl sulfur belongs to a class B ligands. According to Lewis acid base theory, metal ions are called acids and ligands are called bases. So R.G. Pearson classified metal ions and ligands. Metal ions belonging to class A belong to hard acids and ligands belong to hard base. Class B metal ions belong to soft acids and ligands belong to soft base. Hard acids and bases possess small size. So the hard acids and are cations with small size. Wherever different oxidation states are possible, the hard acids are cations of higher oxidation states. The hard acids do not possess a large number of valence electrons. So the soft acids have cations of large size. The cations have usually zero or low oxidation states. So the soft acids have usually large number of valency electrons. So hard acids, hard bases, soft acids, soft bases, low polarizability. So high positive charge. For bases, spread donor orbitals. For acids, small size. For hard bases, high electronegativity. So hard acids are not easily oxidized, and also hard bases not easily oxidized. Whereas hard acids are low polarizability, but the soft acids are high polarizability. Hard bases low polarizability, soft bases have high polarizability. Hard acids high positive charge, soft acids low positive charge. So hard bases spread donor orbitals, soft bases diffuse donor orbitals. Whereas hard acids a smaller size, soft acids a larger size. So hard acids a high electronegativity, soft bases a low electronegativity. So both are acids, hard and odd acids and bases, not easily oxidized, but soft acids and bases are easily oxidized. This is the comparison study for odd acid bases and soft acid bases. Metal ions of class B belongs to soft acids and ligand belongs to soft bases. Soft acids and bases, that means soft bases, possess a large size and large polarizability. Pearson proposed a rule to predict the stability of the compounds formed between these acids and bases. This is called Pearson hard soft acids and base rule, HSAB rule. This rule states that hard acids react with hard bases, soft acids react with soft bases. This means hard acid react with hard base and the soft acid react with the soft bases to form a stable compounds. That means hard acids prefer to form complex with the hard bases, soft acid prefer to form complex with the soft base. This explanation given by Pearson. This explanation is given by Pearson. It is not a theory, but it is a simple rule. But it can be used to predict qualitatively, relative stabilities of compounds, relative stability of compounds formed between acids and bases. So hard acids prefer to form complex with the hard bases. Soft acids prefer to form complex with the soft bases. This explanation is given by Pearson. It is not a theory, but it is a simple rule, but it can be used to predict qualitatively relative stabilities of compounds formed between acids and bases. So acids, hard, borderline, soft. Acids are hard acids, soft acids. In between these two are called borderline acids. So hard acids are H plus, Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Be2 plus, Al3 plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, Sr2 plus, titanium 4 plus, scandium 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus, etc. Borderline acids are Fe2 plus, CO2 plus, Ni2 plus, Cu2 plus, zinc 2 plus, Pb2 plus, etc. So soft acids are Pd2 plus, Pt2 plus, Ag plus, silver ion. So Hg2 plus, Cu plus, Au plus, Cd plus 2, cesium plus 1, titanium plus 1, platinum, etc. These are the soft acids. And the bases also divided into hard bases, soft bases. So in between these two are borderline bases. So those are F minus, Cl minus, OH minus, O minus 2. So CO3 2 minus, SO4 minus 2, H2O, ROH, ether, NH3, primary amine, etc. So soft bases H minus, Cn minus, SCN minus, I minus, CO, R3P, trialkyl phosphorus, dialkyl sulfur, so thioalcohol, etc. Borderline bases are Br minus, NO2 minus, azide ion. So highly electronegativity ligands are ions are hard base. Low electronegativity ions are soft bases. So according to concept of HSAB, odd acids prefer to form complex with the hard bases, soft acids prefer to form complex with the soft bases. So class A metal ions always react with class A of ligands. Class B of metal ions react with class B ligands. So applications of HSAB principle. So HSAB classification of acids and bases, hard, borderline, soft. Bases like this. So acids are H plus, Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, Be2 plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, Ba2 plus, Cr3 plus, SO3, Bf3. These are the hard acids. Borderline వచ్చేస్తే Fe2 plus, CO2 plus, Ni plus 2, Cu2 plus, Zn2 plus, Pb2 plus, SO2, Bbr. Soft acids Cu plus, Ag plus, Au plus, all the so thallium plus 1, Hg plus PD2 plus CD2 plus PT2 plus Hg2 plus BH. Boron hydrate is a soft acid. Bases, hard bases F minus OH minus H2O NH3 CO3 2 minus NO3 minus 1. So O2 minus SO4 2 minus PO4 3 minus ClO4 minus 1. Borderline వచ్చేస్తే NO2 minus SO3 2 minus azide ion Cl minus so thiocyanate. Soft bases H minus R minus Cl minus CO I minus R3P trialkyl phosphorus and thioether. So this is the HSAB classification, Pearson classification of acids and bases. So hard acid prefers to react with the hard base. Hard acid not preferred to soft acid. So hard base prefer to not prefer to react with the soft base. So soft acid prefers to react with the soft bases. Once again, this slide denotes us what is that. Hard acid prefers to odd base only. Odd acid not preferred to react with the soft acid, whereas the odd base not preferred to react with the soft base. Only soft acid reacts with the prefers to soft base. Providing all other factors being equal, soft acids react faster and form stronger bonds with the soft bases. So soft acids reacts faster and form strong bonds with the soft bases, whereas odd acid react faster and form stronger bonds with the hard bases. The classification in the original work was mostly based on equilibrium constants for reaction of two Lewis bases competing for a Lewis acid. So applications of hard and soft acids, stability of a metal complexes. So Ag plus soft acid, I minus soft base. These two giving us AgI2 minus so stable complex. Whereas Ag plus not react with the 2F minus. So AgF2 minus is unstable complex. AgI2 minus is a stable complex. This because of here AgI2 minus, Ag plus is a soft acid, I minus is a soft base. Whereas in the case of AgF2 minus, Ag plus is a soft acid, so F minus is a hard base. So soft acid does not react with the hard base, so not giving stable complex. Similar, COF6 3 minus is more stable than the COI6 3 minus. Because of CO3 plus is a hard acid, F minus is a hard base. Whereas in the case of in this complex CO I6 3 minus complex, CO3 plus hard acid, so I minus soft base. So that is the stability of complexes predicted by Pearson classification. So another application is there, compounds complexes predicting the feasibility of a reaction in the exothermic nature of the reaction can be explained by the HSEB principle. CSF plus LIF giving rise to LIF plus CSI. Delta H is equal to minus 138 kilojoule per mole. HgF2 plus BeI2 giving rise to BeF2 plus HgI2. Delta H is equal to minus 397 kilojoule per mole. So these are two reactions are exothermic reactions. So also predict the path of the reaction. That means always hard acid, odd acid reacts with the hard base. So soft acid reacts with the soft base to form a stable complex. So we can, according to HSEB principle, we predict the path of the reaction also. Which reaction is feasible, which reaction is not feasible. So this is applications of hard soft acid base theory. So in acid bases, mainly three theories are exposed to explain the which one is the acid, which one is the base. One is the Arrhenius theory, another one is the Bronsted-Lowry theory, another one is the Lewis acid theory. So bases also Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry base theory, Lewis base theory. According to Lewis acid, an electron acceptor. So Lewis acid is electron acceptor. Lewis base electron donor. So the Lewis concept of acids and bases involves covalent interaction to form a coordinate covalent bond. An acid on electron pair acceptor, a base an electron pair donor. According to Lewis acid base theory. So Pearson classification of metal ions. So Pearson classified metal ions two categories, class A metal ions and class B metal ions. In this classification, class A metal ions are alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, lighter transition metals of higher oxidation states. So class B metal ions, heavier transition metals of lower oxidation states. Those are Cu plus, Ag plus, Hg plus, Hg2 plus, etc. So ligands also classified into two types, two class A and class B. Class A of high electronegative ions F minus Cl minus OH minus O2 minus NH3 CO3 2 minus SO4 2 minus belongs to class A ligands. Class B ligands, low electronegativity of anions H minus Cn minus SCN minus I minus CO trialkyl phosphorus dialkyl sulfur belongs to class B ligands. So according to Lewis acid base theory, metal ions are called acids, ligands are called bases. So hard, soft acids and bases. The odd acids are cations with small size. So soft acids, the soft acids have large size. So odd acids low polarizability, soft acids are high polarizability. Odd acids are high positive charge, soft acids are low positive charge. Odd acids are small size, soft acids are large size. Odd acids are not easily oxidized, soft acids are easily oxidized. Bases, odd bases, soft bases, low polarizability. Soft bases are high polarizability. Spread donor orbitals, diffuse donor orbitals, high electronegativity, low electronegativity. So odd acids, odd bases are not easily oxidized, soft bases are easily oxidized. So acids are hard, soft, and borderline. Bases also hard, borderline, soft. So these are the metal ions of odd acids. These are the metal ions, soft acids, lower oxidation state. In between these two are borderline acids. So bases, hard bases are high electronegative. Soft acids, soft bases are low electronegative. In between these two are the borderline bases according to Pearson classification. So R.G. Pearson classified metal ions and ligands like this. So Pearson proposed a rule to predict the stability of the compounds formed between these acids and bases. This is called Pearson odd soft acid base rule, HSAB rule. This rule states that odd acids reacts with the hard bases, soft acids reacts with the soft bases. This means odd acid react with the hard bases and soft acids reacts with the soft bases to form stable compounds. This explanation given by Pearson. This explanation given by Pearson. This explanation given by Pearson, it is not a theory, but it is a simple rule. But it can be used to predict qualitatively relative stability of compounds formed between acids bases. So applications of hard and soft theory, soft theory, soft bases, acid and bases. Stability of a complex would be more stable if metal and ligand both are hard or soft. So AgI2 minus is a stable, but AgF2 minus is not stable because of in AgI2 minus Ag plus is a soft acid and I minus is a soft base to form a stable complex of AgI2 minus. So whereas in the case of AgF2 minus unstable complex, because of in this complex Ag plus is a soft acid, F minus is a odd base. So once another example for COF6 3 minus is more stable than the CO I6 3 minus because of CO odd acid I soft base. That's why this is the less stable compared to COF6. In COF6, CO and F minus ions are odd acid and hard base. Okay. So thank you one and all.